Today we're going to pre-ride and session some of the fun features on Mind the Gap at Flat Creek Crossing Ranch. Mind the Gap is an intermediate blue trail, but includes two A-line options for the advanced shredders. It's a popular stage at the annual Lone Star mountain bike race hosted by Team Trail Party. So buckle that helmet strap and let's get this ride started. All right, stage starts off kind of a straight shot down this hill. A little rocky. Coming to this berm. I got a pro line to the right, which is a big drop. Carrying quite a bit of speed down through here. Big wooden kicker. All right, here at Mind the Gap, it's got a little street gap. It's kind of cool. And you're coming down this hill really fast, especially if you hit the upper jump there. So there's two jumps. You're coming down a pretty rocky hill, carrying lots of speed. And when you land, funny enough, if you're going fast enough, you don't even really notice the really super rocky landing. And you just kind of float through all that. And then you hit this little cinder here that lets you float right over the road. That's a cool feature. Definitely this is a fun line. The jump up here at the tops, transition on it's really mellow, mainly because you're going to be going so fast. I mean, you float right over that jump. And this one, I mean, you're just hauling ass. I mean, you just jump right down into there. All right, we're still on Mind the Gap. We're gonna go ahead and go down to the bottom of the line. It's pretty flowy through here. Fun little berms. Whoa! That kind of caught me off guard there. Got the pro line. All right, so we're at Mind the Gap. This is the big gap jump. I guess what Mind the Gap's named after. Maybe it's 20 feet across there. Shit, I don't have a tape measure. Got a pretty good run up to it. And then you gotta clear the gap. It's got a knuckle there. This is a true double. You got an A and a B line on this one. And this A line is definitely faster. If you come up short, there's some consequences. But speed-wise, you shouldn't come up short. If you like this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. I'll be adding more videos from Flat Creek Crossing, so be sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the action. Thanks for watching today, and until next time, keep on shredding.